Hello students, my name is Udara Soisa at Attorney at Law. I've been lecturing University of London students for nearly a decade now. So in these presentations, I hope to go deep inside certain areas of your LLB syllabus, and I hope you will start learning to appreciate the beauty of your University of London programs and start reading your textbooks, subject guides and other materials. The exams are coming up on me, and this is a great opportunity for you to score well. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will enjoy these videos. Thank you. Alright, so in today's lecture, we will focus on the property law. As per syllabus, your property law focus only on immovable property. That means we don't focus on chattels. For example, chattels would be any movable property. Where fixtures would be like a building or anything connected to the land. So your property law was earlier considered to be a land law syllabus, now named as property. Remember, there are two types of land, registered and unregistered. Most land, 80% of land in UK are registered, and the numbers are going up. Very limited numbers are unregistered. There are two types of interest in land, legal interest and equitable interest. There are two types of estates in land, right? You can have a freehold estate or you can have a leasehold estate. Freehold or fee simple means that you have it forever without a time limit. Leasehold is when you have or when you enjoy, when you own a land for a specific time period. Let's say 99-year lease would be a leasehold land. That is also known as terms of years absolute. Secondly, you need to understand, if your land is registered, the details of the land will be at the land register. I'm going to upload an example copy of how the land register looks. There are three parts to the land register: proprietary register, property register and charges register. Property register will contain all the land details, the boundaries and all other details, the benefits of an easement, all the details of the land is in the property register. Proprietary register has all the information of the owner. Charges register has all the burdens which are linked to land. For example, if there's a bank linked to a mortgage, the mortgagee's name, that means the bank's name, would be in the charges register. In UK, when you get a mortgage, the proprietor doesn't change, but there is an entry into the charges register. For you to protect interest, it is ideal if you register it. But there are certain unregistered interests which may override the land register. These are called overriding interest. Finally, as per your exam areas, these are my proposed areas for exam. Adverse possession. What is adverse possession? Adverse possession is when a squatter enters a land and a paper title owner fails to evict a squatter during a certain time period. The squatter gains better title than the paper title owner. Another area I would like you to focus would be mortgage. Remember, mortgage is a security or land being used as a security for a future payment or debt. Once a mortgage is always a mortgage. The great case of Samuel with the Timber is very clear on this. You cannot use a mortgage to grab the land. There's a great concept called equitable right to redeem. Finally, easement. A landowner may sometimes have a right over a land of another. You have a land here and a land here, and the owner of this land will walk to the other land. The owner of the black acre will walk to the white acre to get to the road nearby. That would be a right of way, that would be easement. Easement is a great question, and this means you get to talk about Ellenborough criteria or whatnot. Covenants. What are covenants? Covenants are promises made in a deed. There can be two types of covenants. Negative covenants where you promise not to do something. I will not do commercial or business activities in this land. That would be a negative covenant. I will maintain this wall. That would be a positive covenant. Then there's co-ownership. When you have two or more owners enjoying the right. Two types of co-ownership, joint tenancy, each of them has the identical shares, 100% each. Tenants in common where all the co-owners have distinct shares, 10%, 20%, 70% or 50%, 50%, 20-80. Again, remember, law only recognizes joint tenancy as legal title cannot be severed. So what is severance? Severance is when joint tenancy at equity becomes tenancy in common and equity. Finally, you need to understand that all land in terms of co-ownerships in UK are trust of land thanks to Tolata 1996. Furthermore, you need to understand what are the Tolata provisions, section 14 and 15 when it comes to sale. Then finally, we need to study the case of Stack versus Dowden to understand the differentiation between resulting trust and constructive trust with co-ownership. So this is your syllabus, fairly straightforward. Be very structured about your answers. I will upload all these answer structures on my website at udarasweta.com. So stay tuned with us. Let's grow with your LLB syllabus. Thank you so much.